Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this aqua marine blue green makeup look for you guys. I did this makeup look on my Instagram about a week ago and I thought I would recreate it and show you a tutorial on how I did this look for you guys. I am feeling a little bit under the weather. I think I'm getting a cold or something in the middle of April. I don't know. So this will be a voiceover situation for you guys. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. Starting this entire look off with one eye done, I'm going to go into this navy matte shade. This is in the shade Asphyxiation and it's a really nice gorgeous navy matte shade like I've said. But I'm just going to stamp it on into my crease, inner and outer corner, just to get a shape for this eye look. And then I'm going to go into Poolside, which is a really nice light blue. It's also a matte shade and I'm just going to buff out Asphyxiation with small circular motions just to blend it out so we have a really nice transition. And again, it looks so cute. It actually looks really cute. But then I'm going to go back into Asphyxiation and I'm going to go back into Poolside, just going back and forth into the two shades to get the depth that I want, the pigmentation that I want, and the transition seamless blend that I want. I'm apparently dancing as well. Good music. And then going into this NYX Lid Lingerie in the shade Morning Sky, I believe it's called, I'm just going to cut out my crease. It's a really gorgeous emerald shade. Cute. And then going into these two coloured Raine pigments. The first one is this really nice emerald colour. It's just a little bit of a deeper emerald. And this is the shade, what are you called again? Malibu. Really cute, really pigmented. So amazing, super cute. Love this colour so much. And then we're going to Blue Magic, which is also from Coloured Raine. I'm just going to stick that on the outer corner. So we have this really nice transitional wash of green to blue. And then going into my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, picking up Jet, which is this matte black shade. I'm just going to buff that out in the outer corner. I can't speak today, guys. Just for a deeper, dramatic outer corner, just to smoke it out. And then I'm going to use Poolside just to buff that out again. So we have a transitional blended situation. And then using Asphyxiation and Poolside, I'm just going to do what I did to my crease on my lower lash line. For liner, I'm going to go into the NYX Vinyl liner. This is my favourite liner, but this does dry down very quickly into a matte finish. So if you like to take your time with your eyeliner, this isn't the liner for you. Otherwise you'll end up dragging and it doesn't look good. But for lashes, 126 Lash from Eylure. Love them, volume, drama, yes, give it to me. And then for my waterline, I'm going to go into the Sex Kiteen Kohl liner from Tarte for extra drama. And then lashes is obviously Tarte Light Camera Lashes Mascara. Obviously. For my highlight, I'm going to go into the Becca Khloe X Malika highlighting palette. I'm just going to stick that in the inner corner and under the brow bone for an added pizzazz pop. And then for the face, obviously I'm going to go into the Honey Do Me Up primer from NYX. I look so classy when I put this on because I have no idea how to apply it. But then I'm also going to massage that in like I always do with my primers. I love this primer for longevity, glowy, stickiness for my foundation. I absolutely love it, as you can tell. And for foundation, I'm going to go into the Hybrid Gel from Tarte using a damp beauty blender. This is a full coverage foundation. Yes, it's the wrong shade for me, but we're making it work because we're coming into spring / summer because it's very warm in England and I tan a little bit. Obviously for concealer, I'm going to go into the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Godsend, love it, but Revolution, she's coming for you. Oh yes, she is. And I'm just going to buff that out with my beauty blender also. time to set the face or to bake my under eyes. This is the Revolution Lace Translucent Baking Powder. Love it, affordable, cannot get enough. I love it. It honestly looks like I've done like a drug bust or something, but I swear I haven't. And I'm going to go back into the bronzer from the Becca Khloe X Malika palette just to warm up the face. This is a satin matte bronzer. It's gorgeous, and don't forget the double chins. And for blush, I'm going to go into the Tarte Amazonian 12 Hour. I don't even know what it's called. Don't even know. But this is such a beautiful shade. This is peach. I think it just complements the blue eyes so much. And then going back into that highlight, I will drown myself in highlights. Because you know this girl loves her highlights. Yes. And then I'm just going to blend everything out for more of a seamless finish. And then to set my face, I'm going to go in with the NYX Matte Setting Spray because I'm combinated skin, so I don't want to look too dewy, oily, greasy. We want to look cute. For lips, I'm going to go into my OG Nude Lip Liner from NYX. This is in the shade Nude Beige. Yes, I'm overdrawing my lips because I want fuller lips without the needles. Don't judge. For lipstick, I'm going to go into the Velour lipstick from Jeffree. This is in the shade Nathan. This is such a nice, gorgeous, peachy nude lipstick. Love. Love it. Followed by a Revolution lip topper. I cannot speak. This combination is absolutely gorgeous and I think anyone can pull it off. And that is the finished look completed. Everything that I've used will be listed down below for you guys as always. Obviously everything that I've used is also cruelty free and there are some vegan alternates in here also. If you like this video then please click thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. I'm here every Tuesday with this face doing something and I will see you in the next one. Bye!